What's up, guys? Today we're going to be fishing with the Wopper plopper. It's got a nice little sherbet bottom. You know, we got a nice little overcast today, so this should be the time to get a nice little monster out here. We're going to be using this on my bull bay sniper with a Shimano Stratic. Let's see if we could get something big out there, guys. There we go. Oh my gosh. While I was trolling, I was heading back. Oh my gosh. Stay on, baby. Oh my goodness. This is a bunker. Come here. Look at this boy. Holy cow. Now that's a freaking largemouth bass right here, boys. Man, I wish I had my scale on me. This is a big boy right here. I would say he's at least 6 pounds. Beautiful fish right here, guys. This is a nice largemouth bass. Let's give it a nice quick little release. Oh yeah.